Today, we'll share a straightforward juice recipe with numerous health benefits, especially for your heart and circulatory system. We'll delve into how this juice can lower the risk of blood clots and enhance blood flow. Understanding the importance of this is key. When you incur a cut or injury, bleeding is natural for a bit. Yet, the body quickly halts the bleeding. That's the typical response for most healthy individuals. Our bodies are wired to stop bleeding and prevent excessive blood loss by forming blood clots. Though it might sound like an ailment, clotting is a natural bodily response crucial for maintaining health. However, if a clot forms in sensitive areas like the brain or heart, it can lead to dire consequences, such as stroke or blockage, causing cell death in those organs. The same can occur in the lung, known as pulmonary thrombosis, resulting in progressive cell death in the affected region. While blood clotting is pivotal for controlling bleeding, improper clot formation in risk areas poses significant health risks. Fortunately, there are steps to mitigate these risks, like a simple juice made from just 2 ingredients. To create a clot-thinning juice, gather parsley. Rich in vitamin C, it aids in making blood less viscous, improving circulation. Components like apiol and myristicin decongest lymphatic vessels, further aiding circulation. Plus, it contains vitamin K, regulating clotting. Use 2 tablespoons of parsley. Lemon, also abundant in vitamin C, lemon thins blood and enhances circulation. It aids in reducing bad cholesterol levels, cleansing the blood. Hesperidin in lemon fortifies artery walls, preventing clotting. Squeeze the juice from 1 lemon. Preparing the juice is simple. Blend all ingredients with 1 cup of water, then drink immediately, unadulterated, and without straining. It's recommended to have it every morning on an empty stomach. If you've tried or plan to make this juice, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Please remember to subscribe to our channel, click the like button, and activate the notification bell if you wish to see more content like this. Thanks for watching.